My name is Karen Brummer, and I'm from Rapid City, South Dakota. About 3 years ago, I fractured my pelvis, and the physical therapist, I went to her for a while, and then I had exercises I would do at home. And so I thought, this is going to get my bones stronger and heal everything. Well, a year later, I had a bone density test, and I'm still at a high risk for a fracture. So my doctor recommended that I could do OsteoStrong or take a pill. Well, I'm not much of a pill person. And she had talked to me about OsteoStrong before, and sometimes I don't always listen to my doctor. Anyway, I came to OsteoStrong, and from the very minute I walked in here, I was so impressed, very impressed. The hydro massage for me is the fastest 8 minutes of my life. It is. It's just very relaxing and hard to explain, but amazing it is. And then after that I do the electromagnetic pad and the red light therapy. And those are done together. So they run about 9 minutes. So the time I spend here is minimal compared to what other people, I feel, have to do to gain not even half of what I'm gaining. I enjoy the biplate, and there's always someone here to give you directions and guidance. And then we do a little warm-up before each session and one afterwards. And the machines, I can't tell you how impressed with the machines I am. They monitor your progress, and so you're competing with yourself, which I really, I'm not a competitive person, but I'll compete with myself, and I can come in every week and know what I did the week before and the best I ever had done. And there's always someone with me, and with encouraging words, and to be sure that I am getting the most out of my body that I can. You're not really conscious of this until you start experiencing different things in your life and how it is uplifting, mentally and physically. I live by myself out in the hills here, and I do gardening, and I have a two-level house, so I'm up and down the stairs, and in 5 or 10 years, if I can be doing any of that, I'll just be amazed. And I feel that one way I can accomplish this goal is through OsteoStrong. 10 years from now, I do want to be just as strong as I am now. And if I can do that by coming to OsteoStrong, I'll be here.